So hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another brand new video on this channel. And in today's video I'll be showing you a really amazing browser which is much better than the Chrome. And I know many of you would be knowing about this browser, but if you are hearing about this browser first time, then you are going to love this browser. So with that, let's begin the video without any further delay. So this is the kind of interface of this browser. When you will open it, at the topmost corner you can see number of ads and the trackers. This browser has blocked in the particular amount of time. Also, you can change many more stuff in this browser by going to the settings. Like particularly you can change the search engine of this browser. Like if you want the DuckDuckGo search engine, which is a more privacy oriented than the Google search engine, you can switch to it. And now for example, let's search about the peacock. Now as you can see on the screen, no ads are displayed and no data is leaked on the other website as the Google does. If you search about any particular product, you will get the references of these products on the YouTube and many other platforms for buying these products. So this problem will be solved with this browser. And also there are many more stuff in this browser which can improve your privacy over the internet and also help you to be more productive. Here are also few more widgets in the topmost corner which you can toggle and change. So do check this browser out. It is available for all the devices out there, and the link of this browser is given in the description box below. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video or find it useful or interesting, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe the channel, as it motivates me to create more content for you. And also if you have any suggestions for the video, then please drop them into the comment box. So that's pretty much for this video. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, stay happy.